Python strings are versatile, offering methods like split, join, and replace for efficient manipulation. Use split to divide strings into lists, join to concatenate list elements, and replace to substitute substrings. These methods enhance data processing, making Python a powerful tool for text analysis and manipulation. Python strings are sequences of characters enclosed in quotes, either single, double, or triple. They are immutable, meaning once created, they cannot be altered in place. For example, greeting equals hello world demonstrates a simple string declaration. Understanding these basics is crucial for effective string manipulation in Python. A Python string is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes, such as single, apostrophe, double, quote, or triple, 3 single quotes, 3 double quotes. Strings are immutable, meaning they cannot be altered in place. For example, greeting equals hello world demonstrates simple string declaration. Access strings using indexing and slicing. Positive indexing starts at 0, so text 0 gives p. Negative indexing starts from the end, so text 1 gives n. Slicing extracts parts of strings, like text 1:4 yielding wyth. This allows precise string manipulation without altering the original string. Strings in Python are immutable, meaning you can't modify them directly. Trying to change a character, like greeting 0 equals h, results in a type error. Instead, create new strings using concatenation or methods. For example, new greeting equals h plus greeting 1: creates hello, world. Core string methods like upper, lower, title, and swap case are essential for case manipulation. Use upper to convert text to uppercase, lower for lowercase, title to capitalize each word's first letter, and swap case to invert the case of each character. These methods enhance text formatting and readability. Explore string case methods. Upper converts text to uppercase, while lower changes it to lowercase. Title capitalizes the first letter of each word, perfect for titles. Swap case flips the case of each letter, useful for toggling text styles. These methods enhance text formatting and readability in programming. Trimming and padding are essential for text formatting. Use strip to remove white space from both ends, lstrip for the left side, and rstrip for the right. For zero padding, zfill width adds zeros to the left to meet a specified width, like 42.zfill5, resulting in 00042. In text processing, searching and replacing are crucial. The find and rffind methods locate the first and last occurrence of a substring, respectively. The index and reindex methods are similar, but raise a value error if not found. Starts with and ends with. Check if a string begins or ends with a specified substring, returning true or false. The find method returns the index of the first occurrence of a substring or -1 if not found, while rfend returns the last occurrence. The index and reindex methods are similar, but raise a value error if the substring is absent. Starts with and ends with. Check if a string begins or ends with a specified substring, returning true or false. The replace method substitutes all instances of a specified substring with a new one, as in hi, replace, hi, hello. The split method divides a string into a list using a separator, while rsplit splits from the right. The split lines method breaks a string at line breaks, useful for processing multi-line text. The join method concatenates elements of an iterable using a specified separator, forming a single string. It's commonly used for combining list items, building comma-separated values data, and formatting output. For example, join, apple, banana, cherry, results in apple, banana, cherry, while join 2024 01 15 produces 2024 01 15. String testing methods in Python are essential for validating content. Use isalpha to check for letters, isdigit for digits, and isalnum for alphanumeric characters. Ispace identifies white space, istitle checks title case, while IceLower and IceUpper verify lowercase and uppercase formats, respectively. These methods return Boolean values, ensuring efficient string validation. Python offers methods to check string content types, returning Boolean values. Use isalpha for letters, isDigit for digits, and isalnum for alphanumeric. Check whitespace with isSpace, title case with isTitle, lowercase with isLower, and uppercase with isUpper. These methods ensure precise string validation. Advanced string manipulations in Python include methods like partition and rpartition. These functions split strings into a tuple of 3 elements: before, separator, and after. For instance, user@example.com. Partition @ results in user@example.com. Understanding these methods enhances string handling efficiency. Partitioning strings with partition and rpartition involves splitting a string into a tuple of 3 elements: before the separator itself, and after the separator. Partition splits at the first occurrence, while rpartition splits at the last. For example, user@example.com partition e results in user example.com. Maketrans creates a translation table for character substitution, enabling efficient string transformation. Translate uses this table to replace characters, as seen in Hello World becoming HL4WForld. Encode converts strings to bytes, like Python to be Python, using encoding such as UTF-8 for storage or transmission. To clean a messy string, first use strip to remove extra spaces. Normalize the case with lower. Replace unwanted symbols using replace. Finally, split the string into words with split. For example, hello, world, how are you becomes hello, world, how are you after processing. Mastering Python string methods is crucial as strings are integral to user input, file processing, and API responses. Efficient string manipulation enhances code readability, maintainability, and performance. Proficiency in these methods unlocks advanced text processing, data cleaning, parsing, and formatting capabilities, essential for robust Python programming. Practice string manipulation by extracting substrings, counting characters, and formatting outputs. Dive into the official Python documentation for in-depth understanding. Build small projects to apply these skills. Remember, each string method returns a new string, leaving the original unchanged. Embrace hands-on learning. Start coding today.